In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-create a new Slack channel with AI. We'll build a simple automation in Zapier that listens for something you care about, uses AI to generate a clean channel name and topic, and then creates the Slack channel for you automatically. Start by heading to zapier.com and logging in. You can use your Google account or an email and password. Once you're in, create a new Zap. Giving it a clear name is optional but helpful later when you have multiple automations. Next, add your trigger. The trigger is what starts the automation. This could be a new form submission from a tool like Typeform or Google Forms, a new task created in ClickUp, Trello, or Asana, a new row added to Google Sheets, or even a specific keyword message in Slack. Select your trigger app, choose the exact event, connect your account, and run a quick test. Make sure you see sample data come through so you'll have fields to work with in the next steps. Now add the AI step. Click Add Step and choose either AI by Zapier or OpenAI Chat. Configure the action so the AI takes in context from your trigger and returns a clean Slack-ready channel name. You can ask it to summarize the request, suggest a short topic, and format the channel name in lowercase, with hyphens only. It helps to be explicit. For example, generate a concise Slack channel name based on this input. Use only lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. If you see Copilot in the Zap editor, you can click it for guidance while writing your prompt or mapping fields. Add the Slack action next. Choose Slack, then create channel and connect your workspace. In the channel name field, map the output from your AI step. Decide whether the channel should be private or public. If you want, use the auto invite option to add the right teammates automatically. Keep Slack's naming rules in mind. Avoid spaces and special characters. Keep it short and descriptive, and make sure the name isn't already taken. Time to test. Click Test Action, and Zapier will create a Slack channel instantly using your sample data. Pop over to Slack and confirm the channel appears in your sidebar. If this was just a test, you can rename or archive it afterward. When everything looks good, turn your Zap on. From now on, each time your trigger fires, AI will generate a channel name and Slack will create it for you, hands-free. That's it. You've just automated channel creation with AI, saving your team time and keeping your workspace organized.